Since the dawn of history, the ancient Egyptian had known the technique of spinning and weaving. Extend the success through the Coptic civilization, then to the Islamic. For keeping pace with scalable, there was the use of German, Italian, Swiss, and Japanese technologies. As a result of establishing Star Sewing Threads, a huge industrial factory at Obor City. Area of 55,000 square meters in Obor City, where Star is located as the largest and the latest technology sewing thread company in Egypt and the Middle East. The raw material is imported from the largest international companies. Then it passes through very fine and complicated procedures within Star Egypt's labs to ensure the superiority of Star sewing and embroidery yarn over any other similar product in Egypt or worldwide. As a result of establishing Star Sewing Threads, a huge industrial factory at Obor City. To ensure the quality of the yarn, heat seating is carried out by the latest Swiss-made machines, which were especially designed for this purpose. Dyeing is carried out by special soft package machinery made by the Swiss company SSM, equipped with the yarn air splice device from the Italian firm Miss Dan. To ensure the quality of dyeing, the yarn is passed through the most sophisticated simulation of the dyeing process, with a capacity from 1 kilogram to 1,000 kilograms. The dyeing department has been supplied with the highest technology labs, as well as fully qualified Egyptian and foreign expertise with dyes and chemicals obtained from the largest German and Swiss companies. So that the yarn goes through several tests to determine the coefficient of dye fastness, friction, and perspiration resistance. After dyeing process, yarn goes through a hydro-extraction and drying process so as to give the yarn its fast and brilliant color. which resulted in the fact that the world's largest garment manufacturers accept nothing other than Star yarn. The company has been awarded 3 ISO certificates, which allows us to compete worldwide. Star produces 7 types of yarn with a daily output of yarn sufficient to go round the circumference of the Earth 50 times per day. Star yarn is wound using the latest machine from the international brand Akoba. The production line of Star viscose yarn for embroidery begins at the twisting machines. The Down tube for house purposes is the number 1 in the Egyptian market and covers more than 80% of the local market needs. Texturized polyester yarn for overlock machine is used for the finishing of the ready-made garment. The company has a special department to prepare the plastic cones needed in the dyeing and final finishing winding process, using the latest German injection equipment and the best raw plastic material in the world. Wrapping and packaging stage. The company board of directors are always concerned that Star Egypt follows the international environmental criteria, so natural gas is used in the production process, which has led to the awarding of the Ecotex certificate, a fact that makes all major international garment manufacturers insist on using Star brand, especially in children's clothing manufacturing. We export 66% of our production directly to the Mediterranean countries, Africa, the Middle East,